Hi, good morning. So today's video will be focusing on Google Classroom, how to access it from your Chromebook, and where you could find your classwork from your class. So stay tuned for more.
Okay guys, so once you have your Chromebook open, go ahead and click Google Chrome. At the top right, you will see this waffle page. This little waffle right here. That is the Google Apps. So you click on Google Apps and you will click Classroom. You will then be taken to all of the classrooms in which you are a student in. Let's say, for example, you want to click on this classroom. You click there and it's going to take you to the stream of the classroom. The stream is basically where the teacher puts any information, any comments, or any homework assignment that might be due. I don't have a lot because I've only posted 2 videos. So you go up, and if you want to see your classwork, you click on classwork, and this is where all of your homework will be posted. Right now it's empty because there's no homework assignments or there's no post from myself. Just an FYI, I do not leave classwork. I only provide you with different resources. On the far right, you have your grades, and this is where you will be able to see all of your grades, anything that you might be missing. Let's say you want to go back and see another classroom. You click on the main menu, you go to classes, and this is where all of your other classrooms will be located in.
So that's all I have for you guys. As you could tell, Google Classroom is not hard, and it's not intended to be hard. The assignments might be harder than actually using Google Classroom, but that's why you have your teacher to help you out. If you need help in anything, you could also reach out to me, leave me a comment, shoot me an email. Anything that you need, I am here to. If you have any other question or you have a comment, go ahead and leave them in the comments box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.